Firms in Singapore are doubling down efforts to recycle water as the price of water increases. National Water Agency (PUB) says about 2/3 of companies in the industrial sector have put in measures to recycle water in the last few years. But as Rebecca Metteo finds out, the rest may find it hard to do the same in their operations.
This car washing company uses about 500,000 litres of water each month, enough to fill 1/5 of a swimming pool. While it uses high pressure and stronger chemicals to reduce water use, these methods have only yielded savings of about 10%. It wants to cut washing costs further by recycling water, but that's easier said than done.
There's a lot of significant amount of dirt that comes down from the car when we wash it. So to recycle all this water, to get them filtered to be cleaner water, it will require a system that most of the places, the industrial places in Singapore are not built for that.
Still, the pressure is on for them to find better ways to reduce water usage. Earlier this week, the National Water Agency (PUB) says it will be increasing its water price by 50 cents per cubic metre, phased in over 2 years. It says that's to cope with rising costs of producing and supplying water. Large water consumers in the manufacturing sector have already put in measures to recycle water and save costs. Those in wafer fabrication, semiconductors and biomanufacturing recorded a 2 to 13% increase in water recycling rates from 2018 to 2022. But it's harder for those outside of the industrial sector to reuse water. This laundromat, for instance, has about 80 outlets across the island. It's been using machines that are able to detect a smaller load of clothes and dispense less water accordingly. With most of its floor space taken up by these machines and waiting areas, there's no more room for a separate system to recycle water. There are also commercial reasons for not doing so.
There are stigma against this water recycling in a laundry shop, in a small laundry shop like this, and on top of that, it also involves infrastructure work. The investment cost is going to be very high, and I don't think that a little bit of amount of saving of water will make this water recycling features viable.
To help both big and small players save water, PUB says it will engage firms and propose specific solutions for their requirements.
We also look at where are some of the intended downstream usage, so that we can find and match-make some of the best technical solutions in the market for the fit-for-purpose treatment. But ultimately, we don't want to propose something that is cost much more than is needed, and all these will incur additional operating costs downstream for the company.
Firms can also get funding support to put in water recycling systems or adopt water-efficient equipment. That's as water demand is projected to almost double by 2065.